Hi little star, you're getting a magical Christmas kit tree from Mind Raven. So let's check out what do we have here and what you can do with all of them. So you will be getting 2 little wooden ornaments with a mini glue tag in this pack and a fake snow. And then of course 1 wooden Christmas tree, a acrylic paintbrush, few Christmas stick and mini fur balls or pom-pom. So in this kit, you're going to build and paint your own Christmas tree this season, this wooden Christmas tree. So feel free to actually use all the paintbrush available here. And of course, you can top one of the sparkle fur balls on top of this wooden tree using a glue tag. And then what do we do with the ice cream stick? Now, you can build a base for your Christmas tree to be on top of it. So ask your mommy or daddy or anyone at home to help you to stick the glue tag or a glue gun type of glue or epoxy glue to actually stick all this to build a frame. So let's check this out. This is roughly how the base will look like. One stick, you can actually put a glue gun, glue or the epoxy glue gun or the glue tag here, and you can stick your Christmas tree here. So it's going to be a coordinate for your Christmas tree to be on. And of course, another tips using glue tag or glue that you have at home, you can actually spread the fur balls on this base. Right? And after that, you can take out the snow here and the wooden ornaments, stand them on the base, decorate them in your way. You can paint them or no, and you can use a glue to spread the snow all over the base or even on a Christmas tree. Have fun with your mommy or that is. Thank you.